Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy in the computer room for January 18th in the year of perfect vision. There's all 1.67 people out there who actually watch me know I'm in the middle of reorganizing my computer room here so I can record in here when I'm not recording out in the shop, because I can't be recording in the living room no more. You know how much fun it is to try and reorganize and clean up a computer room? You know, your mid-period home enthusiast computer room. I mean, mid-period enthusiast home computer, whatever. Well, let me show you around here. Hey, there we go. There's Everett's Workshop sticker. There's the rodent for this computer. There's tripod. There's another camera. There's another computer. There's some computer programming discs. Yeah, I got a lot of them. This stuff over here was full of junk. I cleaned that out. Now you see I've got this stuff here temporarily until I clean out this area over here. See there behind this area? Yeah, I gotta get over there and clean up. So far at the moment, you see I've got battery backup at the wazoo. This has got to be cleaned up in here. That's computer room furniture. And so is that. There we go. There we are. See, I'm using Cyberlink UCAM 3.5 because it's the one that'll work on this computer. And it works good, especially now that I have this camera. It's a Logitech HD webcam 525. It works with the zoom and all the high-tech adjustments that UCAM allows me. It works. I'm happy. What do we have here? You want to work. Hey, shitty color and all. Set you right here. So how's that? That cheap Chinese. Oh, okay. Let's adjust the no, auto lighting don't help. Let's try the advanced. Oh, let's see, we could adjust the hue, right? Looks like me. How about sharpness? That's not bad. I have to stop so I can change cameras. Okay, there you see the two different cameras running through the same program. You make up your mind, which is better.